American buttercream frosting is easy to make, tastes amazing, and can be easily piped and smoothed onto cakes and cupcakes. It's hard to believe that this buttercream frosting uses only 5 ingredients since it's so delicious. In this video, I will show you how to make an American buttercream frosting. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to this channel, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. The ingredients you will need are listed in the video description below. Start by creaming the butter using a hand or stand mixer. Add in the vanilla extract and continue mixing. Add in the salt and continue mixing. To make it easier to add the confectioner sugar to the mixture, pour the sugar into a separate bowl. Add in the confectioner sugar 1 cup at a time. After adding about 3 cups of the confectioner sugar, add the heavy cream or milk into the bowl and mix until well combined. Add the remaining confectioner sugar to the bowl. If you find that the buttercream is too stiff, add a little more heavy cream or milk. If the frosting is too wet, add a little more confectioner sugar. Thank you for watching. Please remember to select the bell to get notifications on future content.